Hello again, it's George from Chelsea, Quebec. I've got a quick tip for you. I need to trim 29-30 seconds off each edge of a board. Now, in holding a ruler and trying to gauge 29-30 seconds against the saw blade is a bit of a challenge. The hands wiggle and waggle all over the place. The eyes can't make out where 29 is on the fine scale. Take your ruler, put it under a bright light, put a piece of tape at 29-30 seconds, and then come back to your table saw. So that's it for the tip. Bye from me for now. And remember, if you can make some time for your passion, take it. But if you can share it, even better.